If you want to track your website's performance on Google, monitor keywords, and improve your SEO, then connecting Google Search Console is a must. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to connect Google Search Console to your WordPress website and verify ownership properly. Let's get started. First, go to Google Search Console and click the Start Now button. If your Search Console account is not connected to any website yet, you will see a screen asking you to add a new property. Here, you'll have two options: Domain or URL Prefix. The domain property tracks your entire domain, including all subdomains and protocols. The URL Prefix property tracks only the specific URL you enter. In this tutorial, I will add my domain using the URL Prefix option. Enter your website URL and click Continue. Now, Google will ask you to verify ownership. You'll see several verification methods: HTML file upload, HTML tag, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, or domain name provider. In this tutorial, I will choose the HTML tag method. Copy the HTML tag provided by Google. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Plugins, then click Add New Plugin. Search for a plugin called Insert Headers and Footers. Install and activate the plugin. In my case, the plugin is already installed and activated. Now, from the left menu, go to Settings, then click on Header and Footer. Paste the HTML tag you copied from Google Search Console into the header section. Make sure you place the code correctly in the header area, then click Save. Now go back to Google Search Console. Click the Verify button. If everything is set up correctly, you will see a message confirming that your property has been verified successfully. Once verified, you'll be able to access your dashboard and view performance insights. Keep in mind, it may take up to 24 to 48 hours for Google to start pulling data into your Search Console account. And that's how you connect and verify your WordPress website with Google Search Console. Now you can monitor your search performance, track keywords, and improve your SEO strategy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other digital marketing and SEO videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.